Part 2.
Huh?
Part 2 of the blizzard. So here we are on, is it February 2nd?
Yeah.
On 2/2/2011. Part 2 of the blizzard. Up there's our place at the top. I mean, whoa, see now it's coming from the west, like, whoa. These cars. I have to put my glove on as my hand almost fell off. There, it's better.
I think this is crazy.
Look at these snow drifts.
Wow, look at all these cars.
Whoa. This drift is cool. Ugh. How you feeling, wife?
This is cool.
Fire hydrant. I mean, that's definitely a couple feet. There's our place there. And the funny thing is, in our condo building, we have a rotation schedule for shoveling. And guess what? We were not on this week. Is that great or what? The snow lottery, we have won. Man.
Honey, get me over here. I mean, look at this car. I mean, like, I'm so fun. This is probably like a 3-foot drift.
I'll get a picture there. Hang on, honey. That car is really buried. We are going to walk right across the street to the lake. That's our street there. Careful.
Bricks and light. That person's waiting for the lights. That's hilarious.
Dude, go ahead. You don't need to wait for the red light.
Look at that car just...
Light's green. I don't know what you're doing out.
Crazy ass people. Look
All right.
at the car just abandoned.
Let's go over to the lake.
I mean, those cars aren't getting up.
Woo! This is at the lake. Right there, where they're going is the lakefront. That is cool.
I didn't think it was this bad.
Wow.